The types of vocabulary can be categorized based on spoken and written vocabulary. Children start vocabulary building through listening and speaking even before writing and reading. Every type of vocabulary has a different aim and purpose. However, the development of one type of vocabulary facilitates another. The types of vocabulary are discussed below briefly. 1. Listening vocabulary. Listening vocabulary comprises words that we understand through hearing. A fetus may start recognizing some words when in the womb. Learning new words is a continuous process, and by the time you reach adulthood, almost 50,000 words are understood and recognized by you. Deaf people can be exposed to visual listening vocabulary for learning. Number 2, speaking vocabulary. Speaking vocabulary consists of words that we actually speak. It has a horizon of around 5,000 to 10,000 words. These are used for giving instructions and conversations. The number of words in this category are comparatively lesser than the listening vocabulary. 3. Reading vocabulary. The major ingredient of vocabulary building is reading. Reading grows and develops your vocabulary. The words we get to learn while reading a text are termed as reading vocabulary.